Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel. As you can see, I'm outside again, and in the background there's a bush, and here it's looking really great, because, oh damn, I have a problem. I don't know the English name. Here, I will say it here. So here there are a lot of these things I wrote here. I have no idea. But yes, the reason why I'm here is that here are a lot of bees, and it's so great to photograph. I found this bush last week when I was walking around, and then I found it. And here last week there were some birds, some tits, some blue and gray tits, and here I took some photos last week, and at first I will show you these photos now. Yeah, as you could saw, I was here last week in the evening. I don't know it exactly, I think about 1 or 2 hours before sunset, and yeah, the light was really nice last week and really warm, but here I did right now it's midday, and I couldn't came here at evening this week because I'm really busy this week. So yeah, I have 2 class tests, and my birthday is this week, and I have a saxophone performance. So here, I just wanted to show you this, and now I'll photograph a bit here. So yeah, I think this video is a bit shorter, but yeah, I think it's better than no video. So yeah, but now I don't talk anymore. I will start photographing. Okay guys, the situation changed a bit. I was sitting here and I photographed the bees, and then I heard a bird in the bush, and I was looking for them and I searched them, and then I found it, and he was sitting on a branch in the bush, and I saw that he hunted the bees. And I could take some photos and videos where he eat the bee. For example, this one here. Look at this. Here you can see the bee. This little thing. I think it's quite difficult to see, but I will show you this photo bigger. And that was really nice to watch. And here, I will wait more. So the bird flew away, and I will wait more now. And maybe he comes back later. But here I will see and wait. And I can hear another great tit. So here, I hope it will come back again. Okay guys, the tits are back right now. But it's really hard to capture them. They're hunting in the bush, but I can only focus manual because you can forget the autofocus because there are too much branches, and they're so fast. They're flying so fast in the bush, so it's just really hard to photograph or film them. But I give my best, and hopefully I have some good results. Guys, can you see this little guy here? It's a butterfly. I hope he will come down a bit so I can photograph it. But I think that looks really, really nice. The butterfly on the white bush. I don't know the the name. But here, hopefully it will come down a bit. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what to say. It looks so good. Look at this. Oh, there's a bee. Can you see it? Oh, she's on my on my lens. Yeah. Look at this. It looks so good. I don't know what to say. I'm just here. I'm amazed from the nature again. Nature can be so beautiful. And it definitely paid off to get out here. So I don't know what to say. I think I will go on to photograph here a bit, and I will make some more bee shots. But yeah, I think I have to go back home in about half an hour because I have a saxophone lesson. But here, hopefully I can go back to this place here on another day next week, because it's really, really beautiful, and here's so much wildlife, so much insects. That's just amazing. And I just can say to you, go out and discover your region. There's so much to discover, and right now in the spring, I think that's the best time for photography, for wildlife photography, because the nature is coming out of the sleep, of the winter sleep, and the animals getting active, and the insects are coming out, and the flowers are here, and it's just incredible. So here, after this video, keep your camera or your smartphone or whatever, or just go out and enjoy the nature. It definitely paid off. Okay guys, that was incredible. I will show you some other photos that I made today, but before I want to say goodbye. At first, when I decided to go to this place, I wanted to photograph bees, or I wanted to focus me to bee photography, but I think the highlight was the bird, the krated, and the butterfly was really nice too. But I think I also could take some nice bee shots. And sorry, there's a plane in the sky. So yeah, but now I have to go back home, and I say goodbye and enjoy the photos.